delicious Pollo Asado wrapped up in a burrito with all kinds of other goodies. Can it get any better?
Probably.
No.
Taco Bell sauce.
Don't.
I didn't bring any.
Don't.
Nope.
Yo quiero Taco Bell.
Hey guys, welcome to the set. My name is CJ. Right over there is Nate. Right
Hey.
over there is Ethan.
Hello.
And right over there is Mr. Asado.
Hi.
This loaded Pollo Asado burrito, it's gonna be delicious. We're gonna load it with some goodies, including my favorite, Monroe's stewed green chilies. Here we go. Time to ring it and bring it. If this is your first time watching, every time the bell rings, grab something delicious to sip on, and you be the decider of what's in said cup.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Now, chicken is called pollo in Spanish, if you weren't aware.
See?
See, today I've got some good chopped chicken fillets or cutlets. Let's see. Yeah, boneless, skinless. Yep, they're
Muy bueno.
Okay, dude, are you really gonna go there?
See?
You are gonna go there.
If I may dust off an old chestnut. Ay, caramba!
So let's talk about a marinade for a second here, shall we?
Sure. See?
Okay, no, not like that. No.
Not like this.
We've got to start off with some oranges. You know what you could do if you didn't have actual
Orange?
oranges? Naranjas.
That's what I said.
Booby trapped!
You could do orange juice.
And that was technically what you're doing.
I know, but
Oh.
I'm saying you could do like an actual jug of orange juice.
Like you have some in the fridge.
Yeah, exactly. Like Minute Maid or Tropicana. Ooh, what camp do you lie in? Leave it in the comments. Are you a Tropicana? Are you a Minute Maid?
Oh.
Dang.
The snozberries taste like snozberries.
Whatever it is, it needs extra pulp.
Oh, I love the pulp. My freaking kids,
What?
they suck, dude.
Why?
They do not like pulp.
What in
So
the
I
world?
have to buy my orange juice pulp
no-
free like a maniac. Like an absolute maniac.
No, not even a little pulp?
Not even a little pulp.
I need a lot of pulp.
I want to kind of chew my orange juice.
Ew.
It says with pulp.
You like it with pulp.
But essentially we've got orange juice, we've got lemon juice, we've got lime juice. I'm gonna do a hefty pinch of salt and pepper. And then of course we cannot forget the Blackstone Citrus Garlic Mojo. And lastly, we're gonna add a drizzle of olive oil, zip this up, and then
Smells
get
so
that
good.
all incorporated and let's set it aside for, I don't know,
An hour?
yes, in a perfect world, an hour. But today, it's just gonna be a couple minutes. Because
But at home,
this is a cooking show.
do it longer.
And we're gonna utilize the magic of television. All right, let's talk about ingredients that are gonna go inside of said
lovely.
burrito.
So pretty.
Got some diced red bell pepper,
Okay.
got some yellow onion, some corn,
Yellow corn.
some yellow corn,
Yellow beans.
and some black beans.
Lovely.
Oh,
It's a medley.
it's quite a lovely medley.
Mira. Mira.
Mira! Mira,
I've seen it.
no!
I've seen it.
I love it. I don't know why that got me so good.
Oh,
That was
gotcha.
great. Oh, dang it. We've got a hefty pinch of salt, and then of course a hefty pinch of black pepper here towards the end.
Muy bien.
We're gonna add some green chili, but right now I'm gonna kind of just let this warm up and cook down. I want those onions to kind of caramelize just a little bit along with those black peppers. So, let's get our chicken, shall we?
Sure.
Yeah, sure. Right over here. Come
Oh,
back.
you're coming back. Pollo.
Loco. It's just cool. LOL. Loco, crazy. You know, truthfully, speaking of crazy,
Oh, wow. Citrus. Citrus smells unbelievable.
unbelievable. Here in a little bit,
Mafioso right there.
I'm also going to add. Oh yeah.
Oh, fun. Also, you didn't mention it. Adding the whole fruit into the marinade, pro move.
Thank
a
you.
lot of beautiful flavor in the zest or the outside, the color part of the skin.
Thank you.
I like that move a lot.
Dude, but you know,
What?
nobody's as crazy as Taylor Swift fans.
Oh, hey,
Swifty?
CJ, did you know,
Oh, no.
Yeah.
No!
Did you know that Taylor Swift got in 2 car accidents on the same day?
What?
Why?
Yeah. And one of them, there was a reporter in the car with her or something?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Did she make it?
Yeah, and yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Go Taylor.
All right.
I didn't have any other way to segue.
Who are we
I don't
talking
know
to?
any Taylor Swift like lyrics.
Taylor
I'm
Swift?
sure I'd know them if somebody started singing them.
Who's Tyler Swift? Who is he?
I don't know.
Is he a football player?
We'll be back in 5. Let's have a look at our chicken real quick. We added that garlic mojo seasoning, so I'm betting
your
we're
ojos.
gonna get some good. Oh yeah, dude, look at that
Oh.
color. You definitely want to watch it to not let it go too long, or else you will get really burned. But you'll see, like that's just a little crispy exterior. The texture is gonna be incredible. All right, stay right there.
Keep saying.
Now we're gonna add
Okay.
the magic.
Here we go.
Well, we were gonna add the magic.
I'm not naysaying.
Yeah.
No.
No. Some stewed green chilies from my favorite restaurant, Monroe's.
Oof.
Go. If you don't live in Albuquerque, New Mexico, you can buy it online. This is my jam. Like, really, really, really good. All right, let's
Okay.
give this a little mix up. This is.
The downstairs mixed up? Said that the wrong time.
Reference, I know. The best part about those references is the voice that goes along with it. It just is money.
You love me, and you've seen me, and you know me. I'm all Greg.
Yeah, I know you are. You've told me 89 times now.
All right, I'm gonna give these a flip. Oh, look at that caramelization going on, dude. That
Come
is
on,
what
Greg.
that's what I'm talking about.
Thank you, Hitty. Thank you.
All right, we're gonna ring it and bring it again. We're gonna come back when the chicken is done. And ooh, our chicken is looking perfect. Let's go ahead and pull that
Pollo.
off. Yes, the pollo is loco in this case. Let's slice this up, dice this up, and do a little seasoning here on the board with the board
that's
juice. We
fun.
got some board sauce, a little bit of seasoning. Perfect, going back on the griddle. Now we are going to add a hefty amount of cheese because I want some cheesy, gooey chicken.
Queso.
Absolutely. Let's toss our veggies around a little bit. Let's toss our chicken a little bit more with that cheese. Pro move with that citrus that we had cooking with us. We're gonna squeeze some of that juice on the chicken. Gonna get that toasted, sweetened juice from the oranges, lemons, and limes. Let's clean up our board because it's time to build, my friend. We got an extra large tortilla, gonna get
Dude,
that
those
down.
are huge.
Massive, because I'm gonna load these guys up. We've got some veggies that we're gonna put down first. Of course, follow that up with that cheesy chicken. Once we got that chicken down, we've gotta have the master of disaster. More green chili.
Okay.
Season with some of the citrus garlic mojo, pinch of cilantro that we've chopped up, roll the burrito, and let's build the second one. Basically, same thing, dude. Veggies, chicken, green chili, cilantro, seasoning, everything rolled up into a delightful bundle and on to the griddle to toast. So we're gonna toast on a couple sides. This is also gonna help keep the tortilla kind of glued, so to speak, together. And dude, these are beautiful. Do you wanna look inside?
You want to? It's like a birthday
Eh.
present. You want to open it up?
What's in the box? Oh my
What's in the
God, what's
box?
in the box?
Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh!
On a normal day, you don't always cut the burrito in the middle like this, but on this occasion, we are. Slice it open. Look at that.
Muy bien.
Dude, so,
Muy bien.
so good. I cannot wait to get into this. Oh, dude, it's still hot. Look at that.
Caliente.
Muy
Mucho caliente. Mucho delicioso.
Bun?
Sí.
Bun what?
What's that mean?
I have no idea.
Money. Ooh. So,
You're right.
so the onions caramelized really well. They're
Oh,
soft.
that was the ooh.
But the bell peppers still have a little bite in them. I'm saying
That's nice.
this is a winner. I could have doubled down on the green chili.
No, really?
Perhaps a Taco Bell packet or two.
Don't.
Let me know how I did. Are you down with Taco Bell hot sauce?
Yeah.
Are you down with green chili?
Okay.
Darn, good answer. Let me know how I did in the comments down below, though. I appreciate you guys. But speaking of comments,
You made it.
you did it.
You're here.
Let's do this.
Bienvenido.
It's CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So glad that you guys stuck around. This is the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers. If you guys write it,
He reads it.
that's right. So here we go, starting from the top in no particular order. This one comes in from D. Pope Grays.
D Pope.
Yep. D. Pope says, this is funny. This is on the fishing episode.
Okay.
Says, what is going on right now? Bruce is cooking burgers with tortillas. CJ's on the water fishing. I'm going to need everyone to get back where they belong. Excellent show, guys. Very entertaining. I'm with you on the shrimp. It tastes great, but I stopped eating it when I heard it wasn't cooked.
Nah.
Yeah,
D Pope, more like D Nope. Am I right or am I right?
All right. Are you ringing it? One more time. Okay, you're the only variable that's making this not work. Hold off.
Oh. Obviously.
Sorry, dude. Okay, this next one's from Only Chevys.
Only Chevys.
Yep, you know, an oldie but goldie. Says, never, and I mean never, trust a man that don't eat seafood. Their brain is wired wrong, and I don't think they can help it. Snapper, I mean, come on, some of the mildest, best fish out there. Don't even get me started on shrimp. One of your best 2 videos, though.
Only
Chevys.
Chevys. He knows what's up.
Woo!
A little late to the party.
Late to the party.
I was trying.
All right, this is from Dr. Venkman.
No.
That's what it says.
The Dr. Venkman?
This is Peter Venkman saying,
Dr. Venkman says, hey, CJ. Long-time listener, first-time caller. Just
Weird.
wanted to give your camera guy props for the weird hairless pets.
weird.
It's making a callback to a movie reference. Ditto. CJ, back off, man. I'm a scientist, not Mr. Venkman. Thanks. I'll hang up and listen. Easily the weirdest comment I've ever read. It was like in so many strange places that I couldn't help. But
You're a
partake.
strange guy, Ace.
Do you not want to play anymore?
I didn't know Dan Aykroyd was in this picture.
Okay, look who's showing up to party now.
Perhaps I could be of some assistance.
This next one comes in from the lovely, talented, most beautiful woman I have ever known in my entire life.
SD Stevenson.
I was gonna say me.
I said his girlfriend, and he said himself. What an idiot.
No, your grandma. My mom, Roxanne Frazier says. And this is on the fritter video in reference to that.
The word.
You don't have to put on the red light.
Exactly. She says, CJ, your mom is watching this show, so no bad words allowed.
No more F words.
The breakfast
about that.
fritter looks so good. Great job. Mom, I love you. No more potty mouth. In fact, I'll wash it out with...
I wonder.
What?
Oh yeah.
Wait a minute.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with all of us and my beautiful nephew over there. I appreciate you guys chilling and hanging. If you want to see something go up on the OG board, hit me up on Instagram and I will give you a mailing address. If you didn't know, nah dude, it is a party.
It's a party.
And this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook and we quote. We'll see you guys next week. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com.
Quick, hurry.
And griddlenation.com for lots of swag. See you guys later.